Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be recreating the viral TikTok trend, nature cereal. Let's get started. Start off with some raspberries, blackberries, pomegranate, blueberries, strawberries, crushed ice, and coconut water. This is great for those who want a wholesome and light breakfast that's full of antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. We hope you enjoy this super easy to make delicious berry blend. Thanks for watching and tune in every Tuesdays and Thursdays. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook either. Link is in the bio.